Having said that, for any investor, we are trying to create an investment promotion agency. Um, it will be a three-tier thing. I'm going to appoint relationship executives who will help you with all the information that you need. My office is on the sixth floor. And further on, if something interesting happens, you know, your investment seems interesting, and here I'm not talking about the startups. Startups have a separate way of handling, right? There also we are getting a lot of support from the government. We are in fact being trained how to deal with startups. But as you see, this whole cusp, what Sir was talking about was this cusp, you know, that cusp is going to, it's happening now and it's going to happen over a small period of time. After which you will start seeing the results. So the back end, there is a lot of work which is happening, right? So your area is one important area that we are looking at. I will just move on to the next because I'm also running short of time.
Quickly.
But what I am requesting, Vinodji, is to sort of keep all your names and everything.
No, we are creating a small brief about it and database, and we'll definitely,
You never know where I could start fitting you
In
on
fact,
it.
madam, this is the first unit which I established, and I had already experience, and I had done 100 kilowatts battery pack system, the India's first battery pack at Ladakh rooftop.
Right.
That is the credentials already I'm having.
Yeah.
But now what is happening that there are some integrities in the policies also which are not allowing us to
So there are a
establish.
lot of different kinds of investors, right? I'm not even going into the startups. I'm talking about the real investors who already have, established units or whatever. One is a kind of investor who says, we just want facilitation. You know, there हमारा कागज सरकारी दफ्तर में अटक जाता है. We just need people to facilitate. My office is for that. I'm going to start ensuring, right now I'm creating structures, but I'm going to start ensuring that nobody feels that your approvals may ek saal lag gaye.
Correct.
You know, something on those lines. The other kind of investor would be somebody who might be interested in incentives.
Correct.
He might be excited with the schemes that we are launching.
Different.
You know, so that again we need to know कि कौन उस चीज़ में interested है. ठीक है? Then we start telling you, directing you that way कि उस portal में जाइए अपने आप को register करिए. You know, then this is the committee it will go to. There will be a lot of transparency in the system is what I'm trying to say. The third kind will be the land people. या हमें land भी तो चाहिए. अच्छा, there are also investors who do not require land. They say हमारे पास private land है. You know, we just need some kind of support from the government. So ये जो categories of लोग हैं ना, इनको हम समझना चाह रहे हैं, and that is why I am focusing a lot on my data crunching right now. It might sound academic, it's not. It is to actually understand कि what does the industry need,
Yes.
and what if the industry needs so and so thing, who are the people who need it, that.
Correct.
You know.
Correct.
So ये सारी चीजें back end में हो रही है, and plus front end में जो अभी ये training sessions वगैरह हैं, you know, it helps you create a perspective. It helps you sort of understand how to move forward.
And what is the integrity of the, what is happening on the ground, and what is, how policies are to be framed so that the things go smooth down the line.
Yes, why not? In fact, what we will try to do is that we are going to be always very available on, say, the Twitters and, the social media. We are trying to boost up that as well. I'm, in fact, in the middle of creating a site, a portal. I have a short notice, wherein once you go into my investment promotion agency portal, you will get questions. Suppose somebody's from outside. Why JNK? What is the ecosystem of JNK? What are the policies? What are the numbers? You'll find it in some link, right? What are the policies? You don't know where to find the policy documents. You click on my portal, you find exactly the sectoral policy that we are. So that is the kind of nuancing that we are doing at the moment. Right? You're going to start seeing all this happening very, very fast. Give us some time.
ma'am. See, one thing is for sure that whomsoever we are going to interact with now today onwards, they will be coming in that pool of entrepreneurs, and we are going to actually take them to two routes. One is the investors from the angel investors as a startups or maybe for early stage. Second is through the government. Because we are the facilitators, for the people. You have your own facilitation centers, and we cannot compare that. But what we are trying to do is we are trying to do actually this. We are trying to actually mentor them, give them a headway, really, groom them well to take things, head on, so that they scientifically design their business.
One important thing, Vinodji, is that most of the time, people do not know what are the schemes to apply to.
Exactly.
Like there is so much of a lack of knowledge. That is the thing we will start addressing.
Absolutely.
you know, and with workshops maybe you will actually get to know more, right? So yeah, I see a lot of optimism, and we are honestly working, sincerely working. The whole team right now is just focused. You have no clue. I was just telling Vinodji, I've not had lunch for 3 days straight, you know. So it's like lunch करेंगे तो time निकल जाएगा, फिर you know, let me just finish my work. So this is the kind of stuff that we do, and it's just not me, trust me.
Everybody is.
Everybody, you know, when we go home, we just crash कि नहीं यार सुबह and रात को भी सोचते रहते हैं कि अच्छा इस पॉलिसी में ये लिखा है, उसको कैसे ठीक करें. See, I'm not saying that we are going to be perfect, because there is a lot of trial, there might be errors, but what I'm hoping is a lot of stakeholder consultations in the future, right? So that जो भी आप लोगों को issues हो हमारे कान में आए, please थोड़ा सा patience रखिएगा. You know that we are sincerely trying. जहाँ पे possible होगा, आपने renewable energy की बात की है, you know, wherever it is possible, these points hit my head. ना अच्छा इन्होंने ये बात करी, अच्छा okay. Then when we are doing it, then maybe we will say okay, ये हो सकता है शायद. कुछ चीज़ों में हमारे हाथ भी बंधे होते हैं, you know, long, इतने सारे overturning over a short period, you also understand, right? Might not be possible in a short duration, but like sir said, we are very very sure in 1 or 2 years you will see so much of difference on ground. You will say अच्छा this is such a professional environment. हमारे JNK में इतना professional industries का environment हो सकता है, and I can bet on it. Such a relief. ठीक है, with that I will take your leave. Thank you so much.
It was a pleasure having you here.
Same here. And all the very best.
And
to everyone.
I'll be in touch with you.
100%. 100%.
Thank you.